गोंयचो पांचवो चार सैम, भांगराळ्यो दर्यादेगो आनी विविधतायेन नटलेल्यो परंपरा आनी संस्कृती जगभरांतल्यान टुरिस्टांक आकर्शीत करता. वाडटो टुरिस्ट आनी लोकसंख्येक हाताळूंक फाटलीं कितलींच वर्सां सरकार इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आनी आधुनिकतायेच्या मळार काम करीत आसा. पुराय देशा वांगडा गोंय फुडें सरता. गोंय काळजांतल्यान स्मार्ट जाता.
Anything which eases the life of its citizen, of people visiting the city, makes things easier, makes an environment better, would amount to a betterment of working and living in the city, would today be considered smart.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीच्या स्मार्ट सिटी मिशना खाला गोंयची राजधानी पणजीची निवड जाली आनी CEO आनी MD संजीत रॉड्रिग्साच्या फुडारपणान इमॅजिन पेंजीम स्मार्ट सिटी डेव्हलपमेंट लिमिटेड कामाक लागली.
स्मार्ट सिटी मिशन हे केंद्र सरकाराचे एक स्कीम आशिल्ली आनी हे स्किमी मार्फत एक 100 सिटीजान हो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर थ्रस्ट दिवपाक ही एक स्कीम आनी हे स्किमीचेर मार्फत एक कॉम्पिटिशन जाल्लें आनी ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनान पणजेची जी एंट्री आशिल्ली ताका एक 29th रँक मेळिल्लो आनी आमचो हे स्किमी मार्फत चुनाव जाल्लो.
So when you say smart city, people have this a lot of different definitions and the way they see it. But if you see how the mission defines smart city, it is basically based on the proposal that the city had submitted. Basically, because there were 100 cities who were bidding for this, and each city has their own specific way to become a smart city. Because some cities are brownfield cities, some are greenfield cities. People have the impression that there'll be a greenfield sort of development coming up, everything, and a new spick and span city would be there. But that is not how we see it for Panjim.
स्मार्ट सिटी मिशना खाला सुमार 35 प्रकल्पांच्या आधारान फाटल्या कांय तेंपा सावन पणजे शार भारताची नवी स्मार्ट सिटी जावपाच्या मार्गार फुडें सरता.
For Panjim, there are certain issues that have been plaguing the city for a long time, whether it is sewerage, water supply, and adequate infrastructure, so that we don't do digging again and again. So in terms of that, that is how we had defined smart city in our smart city proposal. So we have taken many things from the aspect of sewerage majorly, water supply, roads, then electricity, underground cabling, IT infrastructure, which is our CCTV network, and other green spaces development, Santines Creek, flood mitigation. So we have a very big envelope of all these projects. So when you say smart city, this is what I would define smart city for Panjim.
खंयच्याय राज्याच्या सामाजीक आनी आर्थीक उदरगतीचो कणो हो ताचे महामार्ग आनी रस्त्यांचो नेटवर्क. जाल्यार स्मार्ट सिटी वरवीं खंयच्याय शारांत जावपी कंजेशन, थंयची सुरक्षा आनी प्रदूषण नियंत्रणांत हाडून लोकांचो लिव्हिंग स्टँडर्ड सुदारूंक मदत जाता.
So there are like two aspects to this. One is what is visible, which is our roads, sewerage, which is affecting the general public. Another thing is which is underground. Things have been done from 2017-18 onwards, which are mostly underground, that are not visible, but that you see the effect. One example is our underground cabling that we have done in Raibandar. So during that cyclone Amphan, you could see that the light had not gone. So that is a effect which is not visible in the physical form, but that is there. So like that, there is CCTV cameras. We are generating revenue from that for the state government, for through challans and all those things. So that is the aspect. But currently what is in focus right now is all our sewage and road works, because we are nearing the completion of these projects.
ह्या प्रकल्पावरवीं जावपी मुखेल कामां म्हळ्यार रस्ते आनी सिवरेज, IT इन्फ्रा, इलेक्ट्रिकल कामां, हुंवार वेवस्थापन, उदका पुरवण, मोबिलिटी आनी हेर ब्युटिफिकेशनाची कामां.
So water supply project म्हणटा तो that is 24/7 water supply with SCADA for the entire city of Panjim. The total cost of that project is 88.72 crore, and it includes upgradation of water pumping system at OPA and electrical system, as well as water supply chain which comes from OPA to Panjim. आता पणजे आयले की तातून आमी परत स्मार्ट मिटर्स बसयला that individual household also will get to know. So if we go to OPA, that was built in 1957 and it was designed by Vishweshwaraya. So we should know that the water which comes to Panjim used to flow by gravity from OPA, Kutti to Panjim, Altino. So तेन्नाचे design आसा ते अजून.
But apart from this, there is one more project from our side, that is our public transportation system with our electric buses. what is happening is, if you see Panjim and Goa, for example, has the highest car density in the country. So no matter how many roads you build, during a congestion time, there will be a congestion. So you have to move towards public transport. These are long-term solutions that the city needs to work on. So that work can go on in a phased manner in other routes.
The project name is Rejuvenation of Kampal area in Panji city with recreational spaces and smart parking facility. So ह्या प्रोजेक्टान आमचे कशें आसा, we have a football ground which is made of turf, and this is one of a kind in the city of Panjim. तुम्ही जाणा आसतले पणजी पयलींच पार्किंगान कितले इश्यूज आसा. So we have made a special parking dedicated space on our ground for the users. Then we also have green charging station points which can also charge electric buses, and this ground will also feature 300 fruit bearing, flowering and also medicinal trees.
In addition, we are also taking up development of all three ferries, that is to the first and second ferry at Saurao as well as Diwar ferry. There are existing 5 steps in Ribandar which we have refurbished. In addition, we also have some plantations along with some beautification, including placing of benches all along Ribandar.
पाट्यार आमी मॅनग्रोव बोर्ड वॉक करून थंय एक पब्लीक स्पेस तयार जातलो, आनी हे सगळे पब्लीक स्पेस तयार करून म्हाका दिसता हे लोकांचे जे एनवायरमेंट आसा पणजेचो हो जरूर वाडटलो, आनी लोकांक पणजेन येवनशें दिसतलें. पणजेकारांकूय हाची एक मातशें गर्व जावन पडटलें.
35 प्रकल्पांतल्यान सुमार 404 कोटी लागतीन 20 प्रकल्प सध्या पुराय जाल्यात. मिरामार बिची फुडल्यान फुटपाथ आणि ब्युटिफिकेशन, आल्तींची ग्रीन स्पेस, ज्ञान सेतू, पणजी आणि रायबंदरच्या सगळ्या ओव्हरहेड वायरिंगाचे अंडरग्राउंड नेटवर्कान रुपांतर, रायबंदरचे HT केबल आणि CSS चार्जिंग, आल्तींचे गोवा इंटेलिजंट सिटी मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम, CCTV नेटवर्क, कदंबा बस स्टँडावेले GICMS विविंग सेंटर, योग सेतू आणि मळ्याचो हुंवार व्यवस्थापन केंद्र.
Beautification of beachfront promenade at Miramar. So this was my first project when I had joined here. Basically that project is doing a full pedestrianization from Miramar Circle till Shandra Mandir Square. If anybody has gone walking over there, then they can see that on the right hand side it is fully pedestrianized. पयलींचो फुटपाथ आशिल्लो पण नवीन घातला ताका फुडें.
अंडर स्मार्ट सिटी जे कॅमेराज इन्स्टॉल केल्ले आसा, AI बेस्ड कॅमेराज, तुम्ही हांगा पळोवंक शकतात कला अकादमी जंक्शनाचेर हांगा सिग्नल विथ AI कॅमेराज आसा. सो तेजे एडवांटेज म्हटल्यार ट्रॅफिक जे वायलेटर्स आहा ते आमकां कॅच करूंक मेळटा भितर. सेकंडली ज्या जाग्याचेर ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन जाता आनी ज्या जाग्याचेर कॅमेरा आसा सो ते सुद्दां आमच्यो कंट्रोल एंड कमांड सेंटर आसा आल्तीन. सो तेजे वयल्यान आमी मॉनिटर करूंक शकता खंयसर ट्रॅफिक वॉल्यूम चड आसा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली सपोज आमकां स्टाफाची रिक्वायरमेंट आसा थंय आमी स्टाफ डायवर्ट करून ते कंजेशन ईज आउट करूंक शकता.
Despite heavy rains last year and even having 180 mm of rainfall in a single day, we could achieve our objective of keeping Mala station, Mala ward free of floods.
गोंय हे टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन आशिल्ल्यान हांगा शिगमो, कार्निवाल, एक्वा फिश फेस्टिवल, ग्रेप एस्केपेड, कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल सारकिले वेगवेगळे प्रादेशीक जाल्यार इफ्फी, सेरेंडिपिटी, पर्पल फेस्ट सारकिल्यो राष्ट्रीय तशेंच अंतरराष्ट्रीय इव्हेंट जायत असतात. तातूंत मे ते सप्टेंबर मेरेन पावस आशिल्ल्यान ह्या गजालींचो स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाचेर बरोच परिणाम जाता.
Because Panjim is the event city, there will be these events. This is part and parcel now. This is the future for the city. So whenever such roads, main arterial roads work would go on, there would be some inconvenience. That is part of the thing. But one good thing with Panjim is, if you see central Panjim, it has a grid iron pattern. So there are many other alternate routes that we need to take. Now, because we are doing a comprehensive work, basically sewerage, which was not done for the past decades, so there is slight inconvenience that is there.
इतलें आसूनय IPCDL पुराय ताकीन आमकां स्मार्ट करूंक फुडें सरत आसा. ह्या कामान आधुनीक माकनां आनी टॅक्नॉलॉजीचो वापर जाल्ल्यान प्रकल्पाच्या कामाची गुणवत्ता आनी दर्जो दिसून येता.
See, this is a concrete road being done through a paver machine, a specialized paver machine basically, because we want to maintain the proper grade and the proper alignment basically. We could have done this manually also, but then the finishing that you get would not be to that mark. that you can see. That's an example right now. If you see Madhuban Junction and all these other roads that we have done, that's one thing. Then we have our batching plant close by. So there is a method to doing this, because when you're doing the concreting, within a certain period, the other batch has to arrive. So all those quality issues are addressed through those things, and we have our own safety consultants and quality management consultants through our contractors, which are part of the project. So this is how we sort of maintain it as far as the road thing is concerned. As far as other projects for sewerage and all, we have our third-party checks being done through IIT, through other agencies that PWD does for us. So the thing is, we sort of have concentrated on these aspects also.
कामाचे ऑन सायट इन्स्पेक्शन, त्वरित आणि ठाम निर्णय घेवपाची ताक, त्वरित ट्रबल शूटिंग अशा एक खंबीर नेतृत्वाच्या उर्बेन IPSCDLची टीम वाटेर येवपी दरेक अडचणीचेर मात करून स्मार्ट सिटीचो प्रकल्प पुराय करूंक फुडें सरता.
हे जे आमी काम फुडें व्हरता हे लोकांच्या बऱ्याक जाल्लें आसा. म्हाका दिसता हाचो फायदो लोकांकूच जातलो आनी लॉंग टर्म फायदो जातलो. म्हणजे 1-2 दिसाचो फायदो न्हय हो. सुएज जी घाल्या ती म्हाका दिसता लोकांक हो जो प्रोजेक्ट पळयला इतल्या वर्सां तो कंप्लीट जावन आनीक 50 वर्सां अशी डिगींग जावचें ना अशें चिंतपाक जाय. आनी 50 वर्सांचो हो प्रोजेक्ट आज आमच्या टायमार जालो आनी हांवें पूर्ण जालें अशें तितून म्हाका दिसता एक पॉझिटीव एटिट्यूडान घेवपाची गरज आसा. जायत्याच्या लोकांनी आमी ह्या वाठारांत जे स्थानीक लोक आसा तांणी आमकां खुबूच सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. नाल्यार हो प्रोजेक्ट फुडें वचपाचो ना. लोकांनी आपली दुकानां बंद करून आपले घराचे फुडो जो एके सायडीन आसा दुसरे सायडीन व्हरून जायत्याच्या कॉलनींनी आमकां पब्लीक एक्सेस दिवन सुद्दां सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. हो सपोर्ट आमी विसरपा जायना आनी म्हाका दिसता लोकांनी हें पळोवन की लोकांच्याच बऱ्याक हो प्रोजेक्ट जाता हें पळोवनूच आमकां सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. आसा लोक कंप्लेन करता टायम जालो हें जालें धूल आयलो, मान्य. आय एपोलोजायज फॉर दीस, बट दीस इज अ वन टायम डिफिकल्टी, वन टायम इनकन्विनियन्स फॉर अ लॉंग टर्म गेन. हें म्हणूनच आमी फुडें वता आनी लोकांनी आमकां खूबसो सपोर्ट केल्ल्याक हांकां हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
सूर्या जसो अस्तेंताक पावता तशी पणजेची सांज ट्युरिस्टांच्या येवकाराक जगमगोंक लागता. मात टीम IPSCDL गोंयकारांच्या स्मार्ट सिटीचें सपन पुराय करूंक परत त्याच जोमान आपल्या दुसऱ्या दिसाच्या तयारीक लागता. चला ह्या प्रकल्पाचो पणजी सिटी, रायबंदर आणि ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव्ह अशा 3 भागांनी सविस्तर नियाळ घेऊया. आमचो प्रवास सुरू करूया पणजी सिटी सावन.